So what we have here is color differences on interiors for 99 to '02 GM trucks, Silverados, Sierras, Tahoe Suburban, Yukon, Escalades, Denali's. So pretty much I just grabbed a bunch of pull handles I had in stock, and I'm just going to show you the differences in the colors and let you know what the trim codes are. Because some of these GM colors are really confusing. You've got the shale, which is right here, and then the neutral tan, which is sometimes hard to tell. And even in pictures, the graphite and the gray in the pictures are sometimes hard to tell. So pretty much, I'm just going to show you some close-ups and some comparisons. So this is graphite. This is like the darker, it's almost a black. It's graphite in color, trim code 12C, 12D, and 122. All right, so now we have shale, which you find shale on a lot of Denali's and Escalades around these years. Shale is like a really, really light tan. And shale is trim code 132, 152. Those codes are located in your glove box on the white tag. There'll be a link at the end of the video that'll link a video I did already to that tag and where to look on that tag. All right, now we got gray. Some people call it light pewter. I call it gray. It pretty much looks gray. That gray is trim code 92D, 922. Next, you have neutral tan. Neutral tan and, like I said, the shale sometimes get mixed up. A lot of times you have a two-tone graphite and neutral tan, like the door panels would be a two-tone. A lot of times it's just neutral tan. Sometimes it's gray. Some of the Tahoes have a two-tone graphite and gray. And a lot of times the gray interiors will have a shale two-tone interior. So pretty much they just get so confusing. It's awful. All right, so the neutral tan, you're looking at 52252D trim code. The last one is blue. Super uncommon. I barely ever get blue. I just happen to have one. I don't even know the trim code because I don't get them very often. Maybe someone can comment below the trim code on the blue. But it's a dark blue. It's typically, whenever I see a blue one, the whole interior is blue. So it's not like a two-tone on those colors typically. But yeah, that's about it. This video should definitely help you out with the GM interior colors, which are confusing. So like, comment, subscribe. I'll put a link to my store. I sell on eBay, so I'll put a link to my eBay store where you can buy. I have tons of interior stuff for 99 to '02 Silverados, all Silverados in general. So there you have it. Hopefully it helps. Thank you.